Thank you very much, Jonathan, and thank you very much for being here today. I'm very excited to show you how we at qiibee are bringing your loyalty program to the 21st century by using blockchain technology. For all of us, we all know how important loyalty is in our lives, in our personal lives, in our business lives. It's all about creating those relationships. And if you think about our business, loyal customers are key to the success of our business. And to create that loyalty on a very local level, it's fairly easy because you interact directly with your customers, you understand what they want, and you can react and target it in a very targeted way to their needs. As soon as you want to scale this process and you want to create loyalty for thousands, millions, or maybe billions of customers, it gets a lot trickier, and it's a completely different game. Today, we have the situations as customers that we have thousands of loyalty programs out there trying to compete for our loyalty. Now, instead of bringing us benefits, they're bringing us a lot of pain. And I imagine all of you know that pain. We're registered in dozens of loyalty programs. We don't remember in which one. We don't know how many points do we have on which program. We actually don't know the value of it. So these problems that we have as customers are really the problems for companies, because as a company, you spend a lot of money to actually set up and run your loyalty program. You spend additional money to make your customers members of your loyalty program, and then nobody's using your program, nobody's engaging with it, and nobody's actually getting the value out of it. It's a huge problem for both companies and customers. And if you want to put a number behind this problem, the number that you're looking for, it's $500 billion US. Half a trillion USD. That is the value of all the points that won't be spent in 2019. With that money, we could buy Facebook, 100% of the shares. And with that, Libra. If you break it down per unique program member, what happens is that you see it's $461 per member that is actually spread out all over those loyalty programs. So I would really suggest, after the presentation, check out all your accounts. You might find some money on there. We at qiibee are here to unlock that value. And we want to make your loyalty program ready for a new generation of customers. Now, why are we actually using blockchain technology to do that? First of all, we want to make points, miles, stamps, all the loyalty currencies, we want to make them more secure. We're doing this by taking them out of a central database and putting it in a decentralized database where it actually can't be attacked. Number two, we want to make you as a company save money when you run a loyalty system. Right now, when you base a loyalty program on a central database, you have different processes that can't be automated. By using blockchain technology, you can automate those processes and save a lot of money. Interoperability. This is the most important part, why we should use blockchain technology for loyalty systems. Making two programs interoperable with each other means that you as a customer can now exchange points and miles from one program to the other. Now, imagine quickly that scenario. You just landed from San Francisco to Portland, you get out of your Alaska airline, you see that you have already your miles on your phone, and you exchange those miles to stars from the Starbucks program. What you do is get out of the gate, get your free coffee, and are very happy. Now, for me as a customer, this is an awesome experience. This is exactly what I want. For me as a company, it's even better. I can increase customer engagement and decrease customer acquisition costs at the same time. And this is exactly what we are doing at qiibee, and this is exactly how we envision the future of loyalty. Now, how are we making this future happen? If you want to integrate your loyalty system on the blockchain, it's very easy. You use our dashboard to tokenize, we already heard that word today, tokenize your loyalty points, meaning for every point or mile that you have, you create a token which is based on the blockchain. Number two, and the first step is literally a few minutes of work, not more. Number two is you connect your loyalty program to our API, which is again connected to our blockchain. You do this in a few hours, and then all earn and burn transactions, so when I earn points as a customer and when I spend them, are stored on the blockchain. Number three, you're ready to roll. Points are exchangeable, processes are cost efficient, and of course, the loyalty currency is secure. Now you might ask yourself, how does this look like in real life? We did a campaign with Latesso. They are the second largest cafe latte producer in Switzerland. And what they did is they placed 2 million codes on 2 million coffee cups. And every time I went to a retailer, I bought the coffee cup as a customer, I found the code, went on latessocoin.com, and were rewarded with Latesso coins. Now, The goal of Latesto was really to, on one side, create a direct relationship to their customers because they're selling through retailers, so they don't even know who is actually buying their coffee. And on the other side, of course, increase sales. Now, the results that we saw were amazing. In just 45 days, they rewarded 13,000 people with Latesto coins. More than double of the people actually registered for the campaign, so they created a lot more relationships. And on the other side, sales went up 63%. Now, these results were not only amazing for Latesto, but also huge for us. And we're actually very happy to see these results and benefits of blockchain technology across all our partners and customers, of course. And we're very proud to see a huge growth behind our network with all the requests coming in every day. So my last question, before giving you some Swiss chocolate, and depends how you answer the question. If you're the next company to set up your loyalty program on the blockchain, please come and talk to me after this presentation. I would be very happy to make it happen with you. Thank you very much for your attention.